This is Foodie Tracker. I'll be taste testing the third of the spice chicken burger from Macca's, which is spicy mayo, and that's how it looks like, the bun. And I'll just quickly show you you guys this, and I'll show a close-up view of this. So, and also quarter-pounder bun. That's the spicy mayo sauce. Look at that, all that red chili flakes and jalapenos. And look at this one, not bad. Yep, and is there sauce at the bottom? No sauce at the bottom. Looks delicious, guys. Looks delicious. And a taste test. I also ordered extra cheese for 6 cents, so it cost me $7.05. There's a bit of spice there, very saucy. I don't know if you guys can see it. Very saucy, very delicious, the spicy mayo. Yeah, the spice is there, but not extremely spicy. It's just slightly below mild. It's very tasty. I don't know, because maybe the cheese, but it's giving that extra taste in it. It's very nice, it's delicious. And if you do gonna order it, the spice burgers, chicken burgers, make sure you get extra cheese, extra 6 cents to get that extra taste in it. But very tasty burger. I'll give it about heatness it's not that hot. It's roughly about 3.5 out of 10. But overall, the burger is about a good 7 out of 10. I really like this burger. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and see you next time.